Hi guys, welcome to Mommy Me. Today's recipe is going to be a healthy recipe. It's called Ulutham curry. So we will need some fenugreek seeds, raw rice and black Urad Dal. Let's wash and soak them in water for an hour. Now let's grind it to a smooth or coarse paste. Let's also soak the peanuts for an hour. To a kadai, let's add some palm jaggery with some water. Once the jaggery melts, let's switch off the flame and filter it. Let's add the garlic, and soak peanuts to a pot of water. Let's cover this and bring it to a boil. Now let's add the ground paste and stir well. From now on, it takes around 10 minutes to complete this dish. Let's simmer the flame and cover and cook, stirring every 30 seconds until the raw smell fades away. Once the raw smell fades away, let's add some salt to the palm jaggery syrup. Now we are going to add the palm jaggery syrup to the curry. Keep stirring. After 2 to 3 minutes, let's garnish this dish. Let's add some dry ginger powder, grated coconut and sesame oil. Stir everything well and switch off the flame. Let the dish rest for 5 more minutes before serving. This dish can be served for girls once or twice a month once they reach the age of 12. Once they reach puberty, this dish can be given as a continuous evening snack for 5 to 7 days for the first 3 months of their periods. This recipe will strengthen their uterus and make the periods regular. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and share it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on other social media too. The links are in the description below. Bye.